Is your crack showing? If your vehicle's dashboard is cracking and falling apart, don't spend a fortune on a replacement dash that will fail again in the future. DashSkin is a molded plastic dash cover that installs easily right over the top of your existing dash in just minutes. Our covers include vehicle-specific installation instructions and videos, making the process easy enough for anyone to tackle. Thanks to our factory-matched colors and textures, passengers won't even notice DashSkin is there. Best of all DashSkin products are made in the USA and guaranteed for life, never to crack, warp, or fail. If you're looking for an easy and cost-effective solution to this expensive problem, look no further than DashSkin. We've got you covered. To watch the complete version of this install, check out our YouTube channel.